So over here you can see that I got a bunch of paragraphs, but it's in a single column. So in order to divide them into multiple columns, I can just select out the paragraphs I want to divide into multiple columns. So in my case, I'm just going to select these 3 paragraphs, and then I'm going to go into Format, and then I'm going to go to Columns. So once I go to Columns, you can see that I can change it into 2 columns. Once I click it, you can see that it has been divided into 2 columns just like this. Or I can go to Format again, and then go to Columns, and then go to 3 columns. Let's say, for example, let's say I don't want the spacing that has been generated right over here, as you can see. So in order to change that out, I can go into Format, I can go into Columns, and then I can go into more options right here. So once I do that, I can choose the number of column from ranging from 1 to 3, as you can see, and then I can work around with the spacing in between. So right now it's 0.5. So let's say I just want it to be 0.1 inches. Press apply, and you can see that it's only 0.1 inches wide. I can go into Format, into Columns, more option right over here, 0.05 maybe, just like this, apply, and then it becomes smaller, just like that. Similarly, I can go over here onto Format, Columns, and more columns. You can have a line in between columns as well. So there's line in between columns to separate them out as well. So that is how you can work around with columns right here. And if you want to revert it back onto other columns, you can simply select this out, go back onto Format, and then go to Columns and turn it back into a single column just like this. Or you can go to Format, Column, and then 2 columns just like this as well. And that is how it works. And that is how you can convert one column into 2 column, 3 column, and add text and work with them in columns inside of Google Docs document. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.